So let's take the wrapping off this. So it's a 27-inch 1440 resolution, so 2K resolution screen. Just a beautiful monitor. It's got a slight curve to it, definitely used for gaming, running 144 hertz. So, you know, pretty good monitor here. On the back, we've got two HDMIs, DisplayPort, a headphone jack, which is kind of weird because most of the sound just comes through HDMI and DisplayPort anyway. Power cord, but there's no Mini Displayport on that. It does come with all the cables, obviously power cable, a couple HDMIs, real short ones. I just have my own that I use, so it's, you know, just a little bit longer cable. Here it is mounted, and you're probably wondering, what is this kind of weird little stickery thing on here? It's not technically a sticker, it's just for like display. It just kind of gives you the numbers on it. Interesting to note, I'm actually running NVIDIA cards almost exclusively, so the AMD, you know, screen tear resistant programming has in is just, you know, it is what it is. I don't really use it. Again, it's like a really slight curve, and the fit and finish on this is really great. You can actually feel the different bumps in the front bezel there. Not great for coding, but definitely great for architecture, engineering workflows. Definitely okay for reading. Of course, it's got the VESA mounts on the back. It's on my Ergotron stainless steel arm, and then of course that's what I'm replacing. I had 4 of these touchscreen monitors, and so there it is. I've got 2 of these 27 inches monitors just kind of in my own setup here. Good cable management below. It's actually a custom sit stand desk that I built myself, so it pops open. I can stand up and use it, and then access all the database stuff below. Okay, thanks everybody. Like and subscribe.